Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AutoDS for automated dropshipping monitoring, full guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into AutoDS, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the AutoDS website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the home page. Once the page loads, locate the Login button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to direct you to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your AutoDS account into the email field. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. If you want your browser to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. After filling in your credentials, click the Login button at the bottom of the form. Wait a moment for the system to verify your information. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the AutoDS dashboard. In case of an incorrect login, you will see an error message. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link provided below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password and regain access. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. The dashboard provides various options for managing your dropshipping activities. Explore the different tabs and settings to fully utilize AutoDS's features. Now you are ready to monitor your automated dropshipping activities effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.